So today is the first day of fall and I'm gonna be doing a fall makeup look. So first I'm gonna start off with skin prep. So I'm only gonna be putting on sunscreen because my skin is feeling pretty oily still and it's still pretty hot out even though it's September. I'm gonna be doing my base, but since my skin isn't breaking out too much right now, I'm gonna be just using a bit of the CC cream that I have and my concealer. I really love the idea of fall because fall feels like a time for you to slow down and actually be really in touch with nature. The only thing I don't like about fall is how fast it moves. I end up not doing anything once I get home because it's so dark out. I have a bunch of dark spots here and on my eyebrow. I popped my pimples and I kept getting breakouts there, but it's slowly healing. Recently I got this color corrector from e.l.f. and then I mixed it in with my concealer just for more coverage. Put a dot at where the darkest part is and then I'll let it set and then I'll just layer my concealer on the outside. I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but that's just what I've been doing. I just got it all over my hair. Honestly, I feel like fall toasty makeup look is kind of what I do usually because I always use brown tones and a lot of just like bronzer and stuff. e.l.f. Halo Glow. I pumped out so much last time. It's all over the cap. And then I'm gonna blend it into my brush. The extra brown that I have, I'm gonna use it as the base of my eyeshadow. These are the two eyeshadow palettes I'm gonna be using. These two palettes scream fall because of their colorway, so I have to use them. I'll be using this color in Heist. I don't want to make it too dark on my eyes, so I'm just gonna blend everything out with another brush. I'm gonna take the dark brown right here, the bottom of my lashes, blend it all out. I don't know if I'm explaining this good. Okay, so this is how it looks for now. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I really wanted to do like a toasty brown blush, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna try to mix some of my blushes together to kind of get that. This really deep red color blush. I have this muted pink one, this strawberry cream pink one. I feel like this one is kind of giving Toasted Teddy. It's an eyeshadow though. This kind of angular dense brush and pick up a bit of this color because you can reuse, reduce, recycle. Tap it off, swivel it, and then put it on my cheeks. It's kind of like a reddish color. Put it on my nose a bit. That is it for blush. And then now I'm just gonna blend in my concealer and also the bottom areas. It gives me like a sharper jawline, I think. Before I would just put it on and blend it straight, but then I forget I need to like blend it into my contour so it looked like bottom half was like completely different than my top. So just remember once you blend it to get your bronzer to also help mesh it together. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit. I can't not use this because I always use this. It's like my go-to for everything. And then I'm just gonna go over where I contoured to add more warmth to it, even though there's a lot of warmth already. I'm gonna go in with my setting spray just to let everything marinate. Let it dry off a bit. Use my pressed powder and then set my under eyes and then also set everything else that needs to be set. Just gonna curl my lashes first. I'm gonna use brown mascara and this is the Heroine Long Up Mascara, super waterproof. It gives you more of a softer look rather than using black. Now for the fun part, the lippy. I don't know if I should go more brown or go more a little burgundy, so we'll just go through my lippies. I have these three and I'm gonna swatch them to see which one I like the best and then we'll go from there. This one's in Pitch. This one is a dark brown. That's if I want to go darker. Next one is Control. Oh, I think I used this one last time and I really liked it. This one's definitely a lighter brown. And then the next one is in Avi 1. I think this one's more of a... No! Pressed it too hard. No. I'm sad now. This one is too muted. So I'm gonna go with the lighter brown. I'm gonna use Control. It's super creamy. And then blend it out. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use my Summer Fridays Vanilla Beige because it has a brown tint to it. I love Summer Fridays. The texture is just so smooth. It's not too thick. It's not sticky at all. The tube is a really nice size. The smell is good. I just love Summer Fridays. And that is the finished makeup look. I really love the lip combo. I feel like it puts the whole makeup look look together. This could be a look to go to the pumpkin patch, go through a corn maze, all of that fall related activities. This is a super simple, easy makeup look. It's not anything too crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know what your favorite fall activity is so I can add it onto my fall bucket list this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm so sad that I broke my lip liner. I'm gonna forget that I broke it and then be like sad again after.